Are you tired of feeling trapped by your financial situation? If so, you're not alone. Many individuals today are struggling with financial stress and are searching for a way out. Wouldn't it be amazing if money was not a constant source of worry, but a tool that brings joy and serenity? Imagine breaking free from monetary concerns and living a life of abundance and security. We're here today to help you make that dream a reality. We'll explore 8 powerful mindset shifts that can help you reclaim your financial freedom. These strategies are not randomly chosen, but are grounded solid financial wisdom. They originate from exceptional sources such as Happy Money, a concept explained by Ken Honda, and Secrets of the Millionaire Mind, a book by T. Harv Eker. These experts provide insights into establishing a healthier relationship with money, a relationship not steeped in fear, but in abundance and gratitude. They pave the way for us to redefine our financial futures. Let's turn the page and begin a new chapter where money is your ally, not your enemy. If you're ready to transform your financial future, keep watching. First up, shifting from a scarcity mindset to one of abundance. The scarcity mindset is a thought process many fall victim to, believing there's never enough. Be it money, time, or love, the scarcity mindset is rooted in fear, a fear that can limit us. But what if we could change that? I was once a victim of this mindset, always anxious and worried that my resources would run dry. But then, a realization dawned on me. This fear was my biggest hurdle, stopping me from reaching my potential. So I decided to switch lanes. I chose to believe in abundance. Abundance is a mindset that proclaims there's enough for everyone. It's a perspective grounded in gratitude and optimism. It's about appreciating and celebrating what we have instead of fretting over what we lack. When we adopt the abundance mindset, we unlock doors to opportunities and resources we never deemed possible. This change of perspective, the belief in infinite opportunities and resources available to us, changes our relationship with money radically. Believing in the endless opportunities and resources available to us drastically changes how we view and attract money. Ken Honda's Happy Money isn't just about having money, it's about how we feel about it. It's not just digits on a bank statement or bills to be paid, it's energy, an exchange of gratitude. It's about shifting our perspective and seeing the value beyond the material. Happy Money is about appreciating money, loving it, seeing its potential to bring joy and fulfillment. It's a novel approach towards financial freedom, seeing every cent as happy money. It's about expressing gratitude for every penny that comes and goes, acknowledging its role in our lives. This simple act of gratitude has the power to alter our perception, to heal the negative associations we have built around money. It's about opening the doors to positivity and abundance, about transforming our financial lives through a different lens. It's about creating an environment of positivity and gratitude around money. This gratitude towards money heals negative associations and invites more positivity into our financial lives. T. Harv Eker emphasizes that we all have a money blueprint, essentially our subconscious beliefs about money. This blueprint functions like the coding behind a complex program, defining our relationship with money. Typically, it's a product of our upbringing and societal influences. Many of us carry blueprints deeply ingrained with scarcity and struggle, acting out these patterns in our financial lives. Yet, it's crucial to remember, it's not a permanent mark. We have the power to edit, modify, and redefine our money blueprints. Let me share my personal story. I discovered that my blueprint was coded for struggle. It acted as a restrictive belief that held me captive within a cycle of financial stress. Recognizing this was a game changer. I knew that I had the capacity to transform this blueprint. I focused on consciously revamping my blueprint, swapping scarcity thoughts with beliefs of prosperity and accomplishment. I made a conscious decision to reshape my blueprint to stand for abundance and success. By identifying the struggle preset in my blueprint, I began a journey towards aligning it with abundance and success. Investing in my financial education was a game changer. Imagine being given the keys to a high-performance vehicle, but you only have experience riding a tricycle. Confusing, isn't it? That's many of us perceive finance. We aspire to race towards financial independence, but we're trapped, spinning our wheels in confusion, uncertain about switching lanes. Here's the encouraging part. Financial literacy is the roadmap we all need. It's more than just knowing how to manage a basic bank account. It's about comprehending the intricacies of investing, the inner workings of passive income, and the fundamentals of wealth building. Upon investing in my financial education, I found myself making better, well-founded money choices. I started perceiving money not as a distant target, but a resource I could tactically employ to amplify my wealth. I changed from just being a participant in the financial world to learning how to manage and master money. Understanding personal finance, investments, and passive income strategies helped me to make smarter money decisions. Ecker's 6 jars system is a practical approach to managing money. This concept views your income as a stream flowing into 6 unique containers. Necessities, the first jar, is earmarked for essential living costs. The second jar, labeled financial freedom, is intended for nurturing your wealth. The long-term savings jar, occupying the third position, serves as your future security shield. The fourth jar, education, is your self-development fund for acquiring knowledge and enhancing personal growth. The play jar, standing fifth, is your guilt-free fund for indulging in life's pleasures. Lastly, the giving jar is your conduit to make a difference in the lives of others. Applying this system, I started understanding money differently. It's not just about spending and saving, but strategically distributing it. It helped me to take charge of my financial affairs, ensuring every dollar is utilized optimally. This method ensures balanced and purposeful spending and saving. I learned the importance of calculated risk-taking and wealth building. This pivotal insight became a light throughout my financial journey. Playing it safe constantly can cause you to bypass opportunities that can appreciably expand your wealth. However, this is not a call to dive into every hazardous undertaking that you stumble upon. The operative term is calculated. This means making enlightened decisions, conducting careful research, and weighing the prospective return against the risk involved. My first experiment with the stock market still fresh in my memory. Initially, I was full of apprehension, but with thorough analysis and reasoned decisions, I found that the stock market wasn't as alarming as I had imagined. The benefits I gained from those primary investments were solid proof of the effectiveness of calculated risk-taking. But remember, it's not limited to stocks. It could involve launching a new business enterprise, putting your money into real estate, or even relocating to a new city for a better employment opportunity. Whether it's investing in the stock market or starting a new venture, embracing risk is crucial for financial growth. Surrounding myself with successful and financially savvy individuals gave me invaluable insights and motivation. Friends who we choose to spend our time with has an immense impact on our lives. It's not just about money, it's about adopting the habits, mindset, and actions that breed success. Imagine being in a room filled with people who have achieved what you desire. Their stories, challenges, strategies, all contribute to your knowledge. What you learn from their triumphs and tribulations is invaluable. Building a success network isn't just about gaining, it's about reciprocation. It's about sharing your insights and even your failures. This mutual exchange creates a dynamic community that grows, learns, and succeeds together. Each success story and lesson became a stepping stone in my journey towards financial freedom. Their victories motivated me, and their failures served as warnings. Success isn't a solitary journey. It's a shared path where we learn from, support, and celebrate one another. So start constructing your success network. Reach out, learn, share, and grow with those you admire. Their success stories and lessons became a crucial part of my learning, and they can become a crucial part of yours too. So let's start building our success networks, and together we'll walk the path to financial freedom. Making these mindset shifts was transformative and changed my relationship with money so that I am better at receiving, enjoying, managing, circulating, investing, and sharing it easily. These adjustments in thinking are not just theoretical propositions, but practical methods towards achieving financial independence. By implementing these steps, you can observe a positive transformation in your fiscal situation. It's crucial to remember that everyone's financial journey is distinct, and these lessons must be tailored to your unique path. Today, we've covered much ground, and it's quite possible that you've experienced some valuable insights and changes in your way of thinking. I'm keen to learn about your encounters. Feel free to share your monetary experiences, perspectives, and the mindset shifts you've undergone in the comments section. This interaction would enable us to keep learning from one another and foster a nurturing network of success. If you found this video useful, please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to activate the notification bell to ensure you don't miss out on more financial wisdom such as this. Until next time, persist in your journey to financial freedom, cultivate a mindset of abundance, and never forget, we grow by empowering others. Thanks for watching.